Addy, me DM you but still no reply. My hope say you bust off your upcoming trial. I'm tired of the media and all the fucking lies. Yeah, they are jail 7 years.
I know.
Time fly, and when them give you life, dog, me was so surprised. You can't do no wrong in my eyes. You're too damn wise to get convicted of murder. Me wish you kill a cow and make a burger. Coloring book 4040 Berger. And no kids meal and no fucking Gerber. It really fucking sad, say me have to all I write this. But when me I go say,
Yo, Addy,
you may not like this. In 2016, Alkaline was the man. In summer 17, I don't had a plan. Popcorn, unruly thing, just a shot.
Yo, Addy,
Can we get the next ramping shop? Dear Addy, you still a reply to me DM. Me hope you reply later in the PM. Anyways, wagwan, still a link with Popcorn. How Sus, how Sean?
what's been going on?
And since you gone to jail, them a said them are the Don. But them know why you are the man. It could have been a other. Tell them for suck them mother.
Even meds that dog, even bother.
In a 09 when you just start bleaching no teach. My buy my cake soap and my face start reach. The girl them a suck on for me like a leech. But my mother just start move like one priest. You remember when them did this you out of east? Them days that you black dog you never start bleach. When you was a student and a killer was the teach. Before bling dog start dance and a creech. You remember when you did kick out ninja teeth? Round a jam world, sting clash, all three. Me not gonna lie, me did vex when your mother start war. When you dissing bout the mother and the soldier man scar. That war they make best friend and best friend stop far. Personally at the media make it get this far. Anyways, you're the boss, rest of them come last. I'm not a fan, I'm a AC, yours truly from JD.